And welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video I have a 2.7 liter 5-cylinder head here. This is an inline 5. You're basically looking at a head, and we have the intake manifold here. Of course, here we have all the glow plugs. They're still intact. Guys, this is a glow plug video. In this video, I pull out these 4 glow plugs. We did break one of them. This is the outcome that I wanted exactly, so that I could actually make another video to show you how to extract a broken glow plug. Also, I pulled these glow plugs out so fast, you might be interested in my little method. I would like to show you the difficulty it is of pulling them out, possibly breaking them. We're possibly going to have a broken glow plug. I'm going to break it on purpose. Just to see if anything will fall inside of the cylinder, because usually if you break one, you're being told $3,000 new head. So with my visual inspection, I could see that that is actually not true. If you break a glow plug, you do not need to pull out your head to actually remove the glow plug. It is not going to be dangerous for your engine, because there is really no way for this glow plug to fall through. If you look in the middle of where the valves are, right in the middle section, there's like a little hole there. That's actually where the glow plug sticks out. So if one breaks, the hole is so tiny, I just don't see how the glow plug could actually fall in. Let's take a further observation. There's not going to be an issue. Now, if you have broken your glow plug, it's okay. If you broke it, leave it out there. Maybe put something over it over here, because when you're going to be driving on hot, all the other stuff is going to heat up and get loose and most likely shoot out. You know, sometimes it could be hitting your hood or whatever and causing damages. So maybe if this is broken, just and everything's still running, you're not losing any air out of there, obviously, try to drive it like that. But make sure you're gonna have a glow plug ready to go, possibly a tap tool so you could retap this hole and kind of clean it up. And then just go ahead and actually reinstall another glow plug in there. Or if you don't have a glow plug, make sure you're gonna have a bolt about the same diameter so you could actually remove the glow plug. Well, once it shoots out, put a bolt in there so you could at least get home and then work on installing. Hey guys, I'm gonna do something very crazy right now. We're gonna be removing a glow plug with the method that most likely you're not gonna try, or at least I'm gonna actually recommend you not to try this at home, because your chances are you're gonna mess something up. And don't say Zimaleta showed you how to do it. I'm gonna try to do something crazy, and the only reason I'm doing it, so you're gonna know what kind of outcome you're going to be getting. So here's what we're gonna do. So guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a few taps just to make sure the tool is all the way on. So we're not gonna be stripping anything. So let's go ahead and actually go for it and see what happens. So anyways guys, let's get ready to rumble. We're gonna use this Earthquake XT. Probably gonna break the glow plug, so don't try this at home. So I'm gonna apply some force. Or not. Well, we didn't break it, so let's break another one. Because these things are supposed to be a really challenge to pull out. So let's see what's gonna happen. Apply pressure. Got another one out. I don't want to break one, but if it does, I mean, I really hope it does, because we're going to test the theory, what's going to happen when it falls into your head. So apply pressure. We broke it. So we do have a piece inside. Seems like it broke the metal tip of it. Good. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be long like this, so it looks like we broke off the whole body on the inside. So this is in cylinder number 3. Let's go ahead and actually flip things over. So this is this one. Look at this, guys. This is as stuck as ever. You cannot actually make it fall in. So looking at the hole, it's just broken. So that's good. We broke one of them. Let's break another one. So I wonder what's the chances of them breaking. And then this is a video of what's gonna happen if you're gonna pull it out with a hammer drill.
This is obviously not taking too much effort, guys, and this is not the way you remove stuck glow plugs. This is just a test. This is not the way I remove them. Just so you know, and even if you write in the comments that I'm an idiot, that's okay. But this is for those people that want to know what's going to happen, and I'm okay with ruining this glow plug hole because I want to know what's going to happen. And perhaps use an extraction tool to pull it out, because I do have some extraction tools. That's going to be for a later video. So it looks like this one did not break. So one glow plug broken. One glow plug broken out of 4. I'd say not bad. Not bad. I am quite happy with the results. And look at them, guys. Upon inspection, look how rusted this one is. It's pretty bad. This one seems like it's been in there forever and obviously never been changed. Perhaps the fear of breaking them. So upon further observation, as you could see, this is broken off over here. So there's a main thing over here, and as you could see, you see how it's beveled over here a little bit. This is part this is a different type of metal. They're conjoined together. If it broke off over here, this is actually kind of stuck on there really good, so this is preventing it to drop further. So this means yeah, right there. So this means this glow plug here most likely will just remain in that position. Now,
as you could see, according to my observation and me actually doing everything, you could clearly see the hole is kind of small. You could see that little glow plug sticking out there through the cylinder number 3. It is not falling in, and it is not actually coming out. It is quite stuck on there, so there's no dangers of it falling into your cylinder and causing some kind of damage, you know, to your piston or whatever. It's just gonna get stuck up there and just gonna stay like that. So I guess have no fear. If you do break a glow plug, it's okay. You can start the vehicle without the glow plug. If your concern is that you do have a stock glow plug and you do want to pull it out, well, don't worry. Use some kind of extraction tool. Try to get it out of there. If it comes out in pieces, it's okay. If the little pieces break off, there's no way for this little debris to actually make it down inside of the cylinder anyways, because that little hole is blocking everything up. And when you start pulling out the glow plug, then everything's going to come out together. And let's say some of these little pieces will make it inside of your cylinder. It is so hot in there. That stuff is going to get melted anyways, and it's going to just get blown out of your pipe anyways. Now, let's say you have been trying to remove your glow plug and you broke it. You don't have an extraction tool. You cannot actually pull it out. And you're wondering, can you continue driving like that? Yes, you can, as long as you're actually not losing any pressure, because you will have lower type of compression and it's going to be quite noticeable if that hole is going to puncture all the way through. But as long as the glow plug has a really good seal on it, you're going to have really good compression. It's going to keep on driving just fine. And here's what's going to happen. You're going to drive it long enough to where the glow plug eventually is going to get loose because of all the heat. It's shrinking, expanding, shrinking, expanding, you know, with the metal and stuff. It's going to shoot out of there, and you're going to have a hole, which you're going to end up losing compression. And then chances are it's going to be like misfire and all kinds of stuff, and you're going to have to pull over. In that case, you're going to have to make sure you have some kind of bolt the same diameter, so you could at least temporarily put a bolt in there. Or you're going to need to install go ahead and install a new glow plug in there. And that's pretty much it. You don't have to really worry about pulling off your head, especially if you're on a budget. Now, if you're trying to do everything correctly, then scratch that, follow the correct method, and pay the $3,000 and go ahead and, you know, get yourself some new glow plugs in there. But This particular video is for those of us that wants to just make sure the Sprinter is going to be drivable so you could continue delivering your loads or continue working and doing your own stuff. Especially if you're in the south, you can actually start the Sprinter up without even any glow plugs, especially in the summertime. But even if you have one working glow plug, you could still get your Sprinter started even in the winter time. You're just going to have to pre-warm the Sprinter a little bit more times than you normally would. So that means maybe you have to, instead of like one turn, about 7 turns in order for that single glow plug to warm the engine enough so that I could start. And you might want to carry an extra battery because it might run down you having to start it like that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please hit a like on this video because this video it's been one of the most requested videos about the glow plugs. Everybody has issues with these things, and I went ahead and actually got around to making it for you, which takes the time out of my day. It is not like I'm getting paid for, you know, doing this type of job here, but I did wanted to share this with you guys. So at the very minimum, hit a like. Also, guys, if you're looking for Sprinter parts, used Sprinter parts, I have them. This head is for sale. Intake manifold's for sale. Exhaust manifold is for sale. Anything that came after this engine is pretty much for sale, and any kind of parts. So I have it pretty much all. Not everything is listed. So if you want to contact me because you're interested in something, please do. And if you want to support my channel, you can support by donating to my PayPal account. You can see the link in the description below. Or you can buy one of the Zimaleta t-shirts and, you know, and basically support my channel that way. I get about probably like $10 from each t-shirt type of sale. So if you guys want to do that, you know, please do. It would be very nice. I do live off my YouTube channel, so this helps me a lot. So, not rich, but I am trying to help you guys as much as I can. Also, if you guys want me to diagnose your vehicle or, you know, wrench on it or whatever, you can set up a time and I will wrench on your vehicle and try to help you out and to try to solve your problem, especially if it's a T1N. I do work with the newer ones as well, just certain things. I mean, some of those things you're going to need a special type of tools in order to work with, like when it comes to DEF and, you know, particulate filters and, you know, programming stuff. Not too much in that space yet, but I will be. It's only a matter of time. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. God bless you, and see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and please subscribe.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.